amazing facts about the keel-billed toucan. First, colorful beak. Their beak has a mix of green, orange, red, and blue colors, making it one of the most striking in the bird world. Second, lightweight beak. Despite its large size, the beak is made of keratin and has a hollow structure, making it surprisingly light. 3. Nickname: rainbow toucan. Due to its vibrant beak, it is also called the rainbow-billed toucan, quarta habitat, found in Central and South America, mainly in rainforests of countries like Mexico, Honduras, and Colombia. Fifth, social birds. They live in small groups of 6 to 12 birds and are very social, often playing and calling out to each other. Sixth, unique diet. While primarily frugivores, fruit eaters, they also eat insects, eggs, lizards, and small birds. 7. Short-distance fliers. They are not strong flyers. Instead, they glide between trees, using their beak for balance. 8. Tree hole nests. They nest in tree cavities and often reuse old woodpecker holes to lay their eggs. 9. Strong family bonds. Both parents care for the chicks, feeding them until they are strong enough to leave the nest. 10th national bird of Belize. The keel-billed toucan is Belize's national bird and an important symbol of the country's rich biodiversity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Live with Creatures. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next video.